Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm at the Acropolis. If you're following my videos, like 1.5 years ago I was here as well recording a video. They've seemed to put more construction stuff, like trying to repair it. And check out this, I saw something really cool here. Let's see if you can get in the camera, but there's like, you see that there? It's like Lego pieces. They built it like connecting like Lego pieces, you see, in the yellow box. Amazing construction, so amazing. I love ancient stuff. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. MCRT in the last 24 hours made a total of 50% gain, which is amazing. People in the community just going crazy. The announcement is in 1 hour. You follow Magicraft on Twitter and Instagram, and you'll be able to check it out. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. Sorry, I've just had so many today and like team meetings, and it's crazy. Magicraft up 23% on TradingView, but it's actually much higher. Palantir is up 11% today. Google up 1%, Apple 1%, green across the markets like yesterday. IDX down a little bit, FX down around 1%, Bitcoin down around 1%. Going into Bitcoin on the longer term daily time frame, so each of these candles represents 1 day. The main thing you need to pay attention to is the volume. Volume predicts price, and you can see here that we have almost, if we zoom out, you can see we almost have all-time high volume. This was the volume during the 2021 bull market. Look at the volume down here, and look at the volume now. See the volume now? So it's like making all-time high and like massive volume, like almost 10 times the volume that we had before during the bull market even. Inverse head and shoulders, which is very bullish pattern on Bitcoin, which usually sends us up. We're in this Elliott wave count. We still we didn't come below 25K, so we didn't invalidate the Elliott wave count. But I still see on this time frame, this pattern, I'm still seeing that, and I'm still seeing a head and shoulders here, which is bearish pattern. So I still think we're coming down to 23K. Short term, we had a trade to go up. It's now, looks like it hit the stop loss from earlier today. Yep, it just hit the stop loss. It faked out. It came up, broke out, faked out, hit that stop loss. That's why we have tight stop losses, because we risk little to make a lot. So it's breaking down here actually. Looks like it's going to have a breakdown here. It's breaking down already. Let's adjust this. But on this time frame, I'm still seeing this big head and shoulders pattern. When I zoom out, big head and shoulders pattern. So I still think we're coming down to 23K. It's on a support right now, but that support seems to be failing. On the 4-hourly overbought heading down. So I think Bitcoin is going to come down to 23K. It's holding on support here. It has a strong support here at 25K as well. I think it's going to break down. On the daily coming down, on the 4-hourly coming down, on the hourly oversold already. It's dropping onto weekly and daily support, almost like a stable coin. 4-hourly, just this head and shoulders pattern. I'm still seeing clearly head and shoulders here. Head and shoulders is this pattern: shoulder, head, shoulder, drop. And you can see that we're forming this on Bitcoin, and it dropped. This is when I got out, when I told you when I was in Santorini, if you guys remember, got out of cryptos. I still think we're coming down to here, so I'd go short on Bitcoin from here. From here, stop loss just above in case it doesn't drop. This is where I'd open the trade, and take profit will be at the white trend line. Risk to reward ratio, 21 times. So risking 217 to make 4,689 with no leverage. With 10x leverage, it's 46,000. That's the trade I'll take on Bitcoin. And then from there, I would go long for a bounce. From here, going long for a bounce back to 35K. But it's going to invalidate the Elliott wave if this happens. So it would be not nice for Bitcoin. That's the trades that I would take on Bitcoin. So this one, opening a short at 27,308, stop loss 27,526, take profit 22,800. Risk to reward 20 times, so risk 21 times, risking 217 to make 4,689, and 10x leverage 46,000. And then I'll take this long 36 times, risking 339 to make 12,300 with no leverage. With 10x leverage 120,000. That's what I think is going to happen to Bitcoin. So we need to get rid of this Elliott wave, because unfortunately it does look like, in my opinion, Bitcoin is going to do this. 23,000, and then hopefully we get a bounce from there. Why I'm saying hopefully is also This is a giant, a kind of rising, broadening wedge, which is a bearish pattern, like a megaphone. It looks like a megaphone. Usually these play out like this. So hopefully that doesn't happen to Bitcoin. It could make new lows, but let's see if it holds on. But that's the shorts that I would take. The rest of the market quite green. MCRT up 23%, Palantir 10%, Google 1%. Beautiful gains, and Magicraft pumped like crazy today. Magicraft up 29% here, which is beautiful. Look at that move on Magicraft. Crazy move. 29% today, and the volume has gone crazy. $1.7 million of volume, $9.1 million market cap. So just huge movement in MCRT right now. And you can get MCRT on these markets. So MCRT is available on PancakeSwap, Radium, Huobi, Bybit, Gate, BitGet, Mexi, Bitmart, all the main exchanges, which is beautiful. And this is Magicraft. So this is Magicraft, the game, magicraft.io. You can go check it out. Already playable PC, Android, and iOS. You can voice chat in it, and you can earn MCRT. So you can play to earn PC, Android, iOS, lobby, staking, and you can play and earn MCRT already in the game, which is beautiful. And you can check out just everything about the game there. And you can also get it on PancakeSwap and Bybit. PancakeSwap, here it's decentralized exchange, so accessible to anyone on Web3. 1,000 USDT, pancakeswap.finance. Make sure you use the right browser, because sometimes there's phishing website. 1,000 USD currently gives you 287,659 MCRT, which is beautiful. And there's a big announcement for MCRT coming. Pakistan is banning crypto and says the country will never legalize it. It means they just banned, like they banned the internet, which is kind of stupid. MCRT is gaining as one of the top gainers on BitGet. Number one, up 57% on the 24 hours on BitGet, which is amazing. Also on Apple, it's showing up 50%. Someone made a kind of, I forgot what these are called, but these pinball machine style gaming, but it's not called pinball machine, of Magicraft, which is epic. Going to my sister's wedding, waiting for Magicraft surprise announcement. It'll be 7 o'clock, so I think in 1 hour from now. This is a famous cosplayer. She's going to be at the Philippines tournaments. In the Philippines, there's going to be a big gaming event, a big Magicraft tournament, which is going to be awesome. I'll show you pictures of that. This is funny. Trading strategy. Trading reality. On Bybit, this is Bybit account. You can, if you don't want to use, you can use Web3. You can earn on Web3, so you can create your wallet on Web3 and you can trade. Oops. They have a DEX on Web3, Apex. So if you go into Apex on Web3, you can do trading without being KYC'd in any country in the world. It's decentralized, which is beautiful. And my trade on IOTA is up almost $2,000, $1,987. I'm building around a $250,000 position on IOTA. In this account, I have $286,000, so it's up around like $16,000 from the last few days. One Bitcoin in here, $49,000 worth of MCRT. One Bitcoin, $27,000. Uniswap, $17,000. FXS, $8,000. That's what I'm holding in this account. And the Magicraft announcement is going to be announced in the next 1 hour. So follow it on Twitter. It's a really cool announcement. And then there's a few big announcements, so pay attention to MCRT, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, comment down below. Did you make money? In the last 2 days, it's around from 0.0022 to now 0.0039. So it's almost 100% gain on MCRT in the last 2 days, which is beautiful. You've been following my videos. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.